Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to the course Python for Data Science. I am Manoj Yadav, and I bring with me over 15 years of experience working in research and development across engineering, automation, and now data science. I created this course under 3View Academy with a vision to make data science accessible to everyone, especially those who come from non-programming or technical background. In today's world, data is the new oil. From businesses and governments to startups and students, everyone is generating and using data. But just having a data is not enough. We need to learn how to extract value from it. And Python is a perfect tool for that. This course will guide you to step by step from writing your very first Python code to analyzing real world data using industry standard libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. And the best part, you don't need to be a programmer to start. If you can use Excel and understand logic, you can learn Python for data science. So let's dive in. So why learn Python for data science? Now, first, it's a incredibly easy to learn software, and if you see, it is most demand data tool in 2025. That Python skills are more required when you apply for a job in any of the companies, software companies like Netflix, NASA, Amazon, Google, and many more who are using Python extensively for coding as well as for data science. It is easy to learn and it is powerful in execution because it's a single package. So everything you can do with the help of Python, from data analysis to coding to app deployment, everything is in one single package because of its extensive library and open source community. So because it is an open source, so it is a free to use. There is no AMC or no charges. You can download it and you can start using, and you can take help of community. This will make your learning curve more smoother and faster. As we were discussed, it is easy to use and free and flexible, and it is future proof because it is most used language and it's trending in the field of coding as well as in data science, AI, and machine learning. What you will learn in this course? So let's take a look and what you will be able to do at the end of this course. You will learn how to write Python codes uh, with this course. Then you will able to understand how to handle data, manage data, because you have to manage a large, because we are not talking about small data, we are talking about large data sets which have thousands of rows and thousands and fifties and hundred numbers of columns with many thousands of data inside in the Excel sheet, in the form of CSVs, in the form of notepad, anything in a text, in any form. So mostly for data analysis, we extensively use CSV files and Excel files. Then you will learn how to clean data. That is a most important part of data science, because when you do data analysis, it is not just you will get a raw data with everything formatted. It is not like that. Data comes in very, it is a lot of noise in the sense errors in various, like you will find null values, there will be missing values, there will be multiple type of data inside columns or in rows. Somewhere it will be numerical, somewhere will be numerical mixed with alphabet. So this makes data analysis difficult. So you have to clean data and you have to transform data before you do any analysis or insight. So that is the most crucial part, data cleaning, and that we will also learn this technique in Python. Third is data visualization. So when you have clean data, you have transformed data, you have set all the data as per your requirement, and now data is clean and well structured. Now what? Now you have to take out the insights. You have to understand the patterns. You have to see what data trends are showing you. So after doing the analysis, you have to because you have done the analysis, it will come in some numerical data or some text-based data. But when you are going to present in company or in some client customer, there you cannot show the numerical data. You have to present your analysis in well looking visualization, and should look impressive. So there you do this data visualization. And in Python, we have good libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn, Plotly. There are many multiple, so you can use those, and you can create a dashing visualization which you can use in your reports, and you can show it to customer in very easy way, because when you show the visualization, the audience understands this very easily. No need to explain in the. Also, we will do lot of projects, real time projects. We will use websites like Kaggle to download data sets, and we will do on all scenarios like real estate scenario. Then we will also use pharmaceutical, healthcare, retail. So we will be in this course, while learning, we will do lots of hands-on exercises, so that you are well versed with all these activities. Because data science is not only about Python. Data science is about understanding the raw data. You handle that data in proper structure way like CSVs, Excel. Then you clean and transport data, then you create data visualize, you create an insight analysis, and based on that analysis and insight you create data visualization, and then you deploy that data project in your application or in a project or in your presentations, wherever you want that data, or they are for business decision making, or any you have to understand any trend, like uh, if I take an example, in COVID-19 we had very good website which used to give us real time data of each and every region, how many people are affected from COVID, and which locality have more people affected with the COVID, how many deaths, and where you can also see the trend uh, of each and every region in past 7 days, 3 days, 2 days, today, 24 hours, 30 days. So that tool was a perfect example of data science, data like a complete project of data science. So yeah, so we will learn in this course all these things, and we will do a lot of hands-on practical examples, and this will boost your confidence. And I am sure after learning this tool, Python for data science, you will be upgrading your skills, and you will be ready to switch. If you are currently working in other roles, you can switch into data analytics role, and many more. So there is endless opportunities. So let's move ahead. Who is this course for? So these questions comes a lot, because mostly people think if I'm learning Python, so I should be from a coding background. It is nothing like that. You do not need any coding background for learning Python. So Python, but main thing is it should have an interest in data science. You should be curious how data impact the business decisions, how our surrounding works, because we all are surrounded with data in some sort of any form. Even your Google Maps or anything, everything is running on data. Your Instagram, your Facebook, your OTT platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, everything is running on data. Everything is on data based analysis and trends. So, beginners with no experience, coding experience, that's what I mentioned. You do not need any coding experience, because Python is very easy to use coding software, unlike C++, C, Java. It syntax are like you are writing a sentence in English. Yeah, there are certain rules which practice, like I said, with the hands-on practice, you will learn, and you will able to understand. It will get implanted in your brain when you will use that tools extensively during the real-time hands-on experience, practice and assignments. Who are learning data science? You will see a lot of young generation is inclined toward AI and machine learning. And the first step to AI and machine learning is data science. So most of the young people, they are enrolling themselves in academic to AI data science to learn AI and ML. Also, people who are already an experienced person working in some different domain, like I am a mechanical engineer by education, but I work a lot of things in my current profile regarding related to data. I do NPD, design calculations, testing results, everything is data. So this data science statistics, because if you see even a design for Six Sigma, you will learn a lot of ANOVA, chi-square, everything is statistics, which is nothing but a data science. Uh, it's part of a data science. So career transition, people who are looking for a transition in their career to moving to who have an interest in analytics, they can use this data science course, this skill to upgrade themselves and transition to new role. So as I mentioned, career change motivation. This is the one example who is doing this course. Practical application of data. Like freelancers and business owners, it is not required that only people with job they are doing data science. Even startup owners, business owners, or freelancers working on projects like many freelancing projects. They can also use who are working on Excel sheets, PowerPoints, presentations. They can use data science to get to do a value added services to their clients. And business owner can use data science to understand their customer behavior and plan business inventory, sales, marketing as based on trends and business insights, which they will be able to take out from data science by doing some data analysis. So this is also applicable to business owners, not only for person who are doing job. So I hope you must have understood, and now it is clear that uh, if you do not know coding, not to worry, I am there. I am here to handhold you and give you a confidence to use Python for data science. And after certain courses, certain lectures, you will find that you are more well versed with Python, and we will be planning a similar type of assignment so that you don't feel left out and you gain confidence in using Python. It requires practice, but it also requires motivation and goals, your ambitions to pursue ahead in your career. So tools we are going to use is Python. So as you know, the course name itself says Python for data science. So we will be using Python. Python is our hero, and the latest version is 3.13. So Python is a main platform which will be used to do the analysis, to do the data cleaning process, to do EDA analysis, to do all certain type of visualization and making machine learning model, everything. So we are going to use Python extensively, like 100% on Python, because the course itself is Python for data science. And in this course, we will be using Jupyter Notebook. So what is Jupyter Notebook? So why can't we use Python directly their UI to do data analysis? Yes, you can use, but Jupyter Notebook is designed and developed especially for data science projects and data science work. So it is globally used by most of the data scientists. And other tool is Google Colab. So it is not like that only you should use Jupyter Notebook. You can use Google Colab. It is also a very good tool to use for data science. And these are called, there is PyCharm, Spider, VS Code, many more. But Jupyter Notebook is handy and it is easy to use. It has a perfect graphical user interface. So it is a like a coding environment, but it use at the back end it use Python and its libraries, and it is already pre-installed with numerous libraries. So you do not need to install the libraries; it's pre-installed. You just have to call those libraries while doing the coding. And if you anyone wants to work in Google Colab, you can use Google Colab, no problem. Another thing, these are what libraries I was talking about is like NumPy, where NumPy is used to do all mathematical array numerical problems to analyze those data sets. And another one is Pandas. Pandas is for large data frame, data structures, and data manipulation. So these two libraries are extensively used for data analysis in Python. So you will be listening a lot of NumPy, Pandas, and all these libraries. And after doing analysis, the other part which we discussed earlier was visualization. So for visualization, you are going to use Matplotlib library and Seaborn, and these two libraries are especially designed. Its main work is to create a visualization like histogram, pie charts, line plots, then blocks plots, and heat map, correlation map. Everything you can do. Seaborn is also a library for visualization. So I hope you have understood what tools we are going to use. Coming to course syllabus, so I have already like you can download the course syllabus from description. So I have kept that PDF file for you. You can go through the syllabus, and if you have any query, you can reach out to me. And I have kept all the important content which is required to become a data analyst, data expert, data science expert using Python. So after learning that all content, you will be expert in data analysis using Python. So I would like to thank you everyone for watching this video, and I would request you to like, comment, and share this video. And also, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that my next course you will be notified whenever I will upload any next course. You will be notified in advance, and you can go and check the other courses because it's a series of course, and I will be keep on adding the videos, lectures related to our syllabus, and also all the resources which I am using currently to train on Python for data science will be available in description. You can go and download, and you can use. You can make keep. You can keep it in your drive, and you can use as notes. Okay. So see you. Thank you.